Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today's video is gonna be so easy, probably the easiest video I've done since I've been a YouTuber. The first thing I'm gonna do is lay my edges because this will make the wig I'm about to install look more realistic. And I'm just using my 24-hour edge tamer to lay my edges. I've used it in basically most of my videos, so you guys have probably seen it before. But you can use whatever works for you. After doing my edges, I'm tying them down so they will stay in place while I do my makeup. And that completed the hardest part of installing this wig, I promise you. The wig I'm gonna be using today is from RPGShow. I've worked with them before and their hair quality is thebomb.com. In the box, I got the wig, which was nicely secured in this zipped up bag. I also got some headbands to go with the wig, like this gray one I'm showing you right here, this black one also, and they are very nice and stretchy. I also got this blue one and another one that's exactly like it, so I got two of the same, which is not a problem just in case I lose one. And I got this really pretty pink one that I think is my favorite. This is the wig out of the bag. It actually have a headband on it, and on the headband it has some velcros, which is great to strap it around your head and fasten it as tight as you want it or as loose as you want it. So having the option of easily adjusting your wig is always a plus. As I put the wig on, I pulled the headband that's made on it up to my edges to see where I wanted it before I pin it inside to secure it. As I pin the top of the wig onto my hair, I'm using the straps in the back with the velcro on it to secure it even better. And this will keep my wig in place for the time that I'm gonna be wearing it. To my surprise, I was already liking it without the headbands, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this pink one on, which is my favorite, and see how well I like it. Yo, can y'all tell from my facial expression how much I'm in love with this wig right now? I was loving it. I'm just fluffing it with my hands so it will look a little bit more natural and more awakened from being in the bag over time. At this point, I don't think I really need to say anymore. Y'all could already see how excited I was when I saw how beautiful this wig looked in such a little time. I was so feeling myself because RPGShow, y'all outdid yourself with this one. Whoever came up with the idea of making a wig like this, I don't know. It was a really great idea. That's all I can say. And the fact that this wig can work on any hair type makes it even better. I don't care if you have locks. I don't care if you have braids. I don't care if you're bald-headed. I don't care if your hair is straight, curly, kinky. I don't care what your hair is. This wig will work. And just in case you guys don't like curly or kinky hair, they do have them straight and wavy. I believe they have them in different curl patterns. So just go on their website, check them out and see which one you like better. And I believe I do have a discount code that I will link below. Another thing I forgot to mention is that this hair can wear up into a high bun and no one will know that it's a wig. It's great for the gym and definitely if you're just rushing out your house and don't have time to do something with your hair. Next, I'm gonna try the gray headband, see how well I like this one. Again, y'all, I was in love, so I guess it doesn't matter which headband I wear with it, I am good to go. Now I know what I'm gonna go shopping for. Headbands, of course. I think the more I have, the better, because I'm gonna be wearing this wig a lot. Another thing I really like about this hair is that it's 100% virgin hair and it doesn't get tangled easily. Also, I could definitely get it to look bigger by using my pick to pick it out, but I really like it this way, so that's the reason why I leave it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and try one last headband because I definitely can't get enough of how good they look with this wig. And again, no surprise, I absolutely love this one, and the fact that I didn't even have to change my outfit or my makeup for them to blend in, that is just awesome. I will link all the information to this hair and the website down below, so please check that out. I also want to say a big thank you to RPGShow for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love the wig. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.